Hello, everyone. Welcome to our review. We have practitioners from the Philippines to join us. Okay, then let's get started. Number one, when does the diagnostic process officially begin with the patient?
Um, at the first moment of contact, even if it is by phone or email.
Yes. What is the primary risk of adhering too rigidly to a first diagnostic hypothesis?
So overlooking alternative diagnostic signs to point elsewhere.
Yeah, that's why you have to be open, no? So that you can get more info. Hello. Sige, Doc She, can you join us? Sige ha, paunahan. The
Ito,
context
kung
of the
mapaunahan na
diagnostic,
ito.
in the context of
So
diagnostic,
everyone,
yeah, good afternoon. In the context of the diagnostic process, what metaphor is used to describe uncontrolled navigation through symptoms?
driftwood in a sea of
This
symptoms.
would sign.
Yes. Which of the following best describes the role of eyes, ears, mouth, nose, and fingers in the structured diagnostic approach?
Um, they serve as oars
Yes.
with theoretical foundation as a
So
rudder.
your rudder will be the foundation. All the visual inspection would be the oars. What term is used for chronic conditions that have not been helped by conventional medicine and lead patients to seek Chinese medicine?
Difficult to treat natin
Yes.
diseases.
Naughty. How many patterns of imbalance might a complex patient present with simultaneously?
6 or 7.
Imbalances. 7 offenses and 10.
Yeah, ganun kadami. Which combination of imbalances creates the most tricky mixture? Tricky.
Sa akin, ano eh.
Sushi,
Sushi.
hot and cold.
Yeah, tricky, no?
Efficient.
You should be familiar with false cold, true cold, empty cold.
Mm.
Oh. What diagnostic significance does a patient who attempts to dominate the interview have?
It is important
Yeah.
diagnosis.
Di ba sinabi ko kanina, it could be a diagnostic sign. Especially kung siya nagdo-dominate sa interview. Okay? Which patient pattern is associated with garrulous speech that hinders succinct answers? Garrulous.
Lang siya stagnation.
Heart
Fire.
fire.
Heart fire.
Fire.
Actually,
Garrulous.
non-stop yan. Just let the patient talk. Heart fire. Is it the answer? Heart fire? Body? Yeah. Phlegm heat blocking the Shen typically leads patients to exhibit which behavior during the interview? Take note, phlegm heat blocking the mind or blocking the Shen.
Speaking sensibly.
Yes, but the details are very irrelevant. Actually, nonsense.
Yes.
What is a common characteristic of patients with phlegm dampness?
They show slight confusion and difficulty maintaining.
Yeah, phlegm dampness, confusion.
Difficult maintaining.
What is essential for a practitioner when a patient claims to know their own? Imagine a patient claims to know their own Chinese medicine pattern.
To let the patient lead the diagnosis reasoning.
Yeah, who knows? The patient may even be a student, diba? Or better than you. Why must a diagnostic journal not degenerate into a simple checklist?
Because each answer should become a springboard.
Yes.
True.
In the diagnostic process, what is the purpose of asking clarifying questions after an initial answer?
To investigate to the patient's illness.
To explore the mechanism behind the sign.
Yes, you have to explore the mechanism behind the sign. Which of the following best captures the balance act described in the diagnostic process?
Trusting
Trusting.
patients by remaining flexible and open to the other's possibility.
Yeah, dapat hindi sarado, ha? You have to have a very open mind. You have to be very adapt. You should learn how to adapt. What tool is recommended to prevent forgetting important diagnostic clues while the patient talks?
Siyempre, a digital tablet with preloaded form.
No, a pen and piece of paper.
Susulat siya.
Okay. Anybody, any comment? What answer should we have here? Definitely not a stopwatch. Pen and a piece of paper. So sometimes you have to put the sa intake sheet, no? Sa likod. How is structured approach defined in the context of complex patients?
Siyempre, allowing the patient, dito. Following the registration regardless to patient's response.
Structured approach?
Giving a clear mental map of goals.
Yeah, clear mental map of goals for each step while navigating evolving information. Which sense does the practitioner use to assess how fast they talk and how structured their conversation is? Easy.
Auditory.
Auditory. When dealing with contradictory symptoms pointing in opposite directions, so what is the recommended practitioner attitude?
Maintain openness.
Yes. Maintain openness to multiple patterns simultaneously. What does the term Shan refer to in the context of phlegm heat blocking?
The spirit or mind?
Yes. Yeah, no, spirit or mind, diba? Which patient pattern is linked to tendency to want to control the conversation?
Liver cheese.
Yeah. What is a hallmark of complex patients that makes diagnosis challenging?
They have many signs and symptoms that may be...
In the diagnostic narrative, what does the rudder symbolize? Alam niyo anong rudder, di ba?
Practitioners theoretical.
Yeah, that's why we should always have review, no? Kaya, yeah, nakakatulong talaga, no? We have to attend reviews. Which of the following is not a sensory organ used as an OR in the diagnostic approach?
Skin.
Skin. What is the primary function of an intake sheet?
Through
investigation.
Thorough investigation of all relevant areas. How do practitioners handle patients who have extensive pre-existing ideas about their disorder? May alam na sila because they have probably seen other practitioners.
Listen.
Makinig muna.
Yeah, makinig lang. Huwag mo awayin. Okay. Nangyari na ba sa iyo yan, Sir Mark?
Opo, sobrang alam yung pasyente, bandang huli, umamin na sa akin.
Ay, ganon. Ang taray mo pa rin. Pero pinakinggan mo naman. Okay.
At least
Pakinggan ko siya. Yung salita sa investigation ko, isa lang yung lumabas sa diagnosis ko. Tama yung sa kanya tsaka sa doktor niya.
Okay. Which diagnostic sign might indicate the practitioner's own pattern of imbalance? O, diba? Patient favorite color.
difficulty maintaining interview.
Yeah.
Yung control, patient
So,
Okay.
alam nyo na ha, pag siya nagko-control ng conversation, that's liver qi stagnation. What is the relationship between first impressions and intuitive thinking? Pero alam mo, ito, pag may liver qi stagnation din yung practitioner, naku, wala na. What is the relationship between first impressions and intuitive thinking?
First impressions are often of great
importance because the patients dominates.
They
Yes.
arise when
What is the suggested outcome of moving, alam niyo naman, point A to point B in the diagnostic process?
Siyempre
patient's problem.
Yes, na-resolve na yung problem. Which statement best reflects the view on using yes or no questions during the diagnostic interview?
they avoid it, and they are the most efficient way to gather data.
No, tama yun sir. They should be avoided.
They should be avoided kasi ano dapat kasi open-ended, no? So that
We need to be open-minded, like possible.
You should trigger more questions. Why might a practitioner experience loss of footing with a patient who has heart fire?
Because they refuse to answer of any questions.
Huh? Heart fire. They talk too much. They talk excessively.
Making succinct answers.
Yeah. What does springboard refer to? Springboard. I'm sorry? Initial answer that leads to further investigation. How should the practitioner treat contradictory symptoms? Oh, this is good.
Investigating both symptoms
potentially part of separate patterns because baka multiple nga, no? Which of the following best describes the relationship between diagnostic pillars?
Pillars hierarchical.
All pillars contribute collectively.
All pillars contribute collectively. Minsan hindi mo na interview, alam mo na. When a practitioner suspects ascending liver fire or liver fire blazing or liver fire rising, what next step is recommended?
Look for additional
to confirm, no? Which of the following is not a potential source of conflict between diagnostic modalities?
Weather, physical
weather
condition that they weather.
Yeah, weather condition. Alam mo na kaagad In the context of the interview pillar, what is a major pitfall when asking about menstrual regularity?
All of them.
Tama, lahat yan, no? Tama. Culture definition.
Why might a patient's yes answer about regular bowel movements be misleading?
Patient may define regular.
Yeah, minsan iba yung regular nila. Yeah. Ay, narinig ko na boses ni Doc She. Iba talaga boses pag payat na, di ba? What is a more reliable method than simple yes-no answers during an interview?
Unambiguous, clarifying follow-up question.
Relying on the patient's medical records.
Ay? Wait lang.
More reliable.
Unambiguous.
Ambiguous.
Kailangan may follow-up. May follow-up.
Okay. Follow-up questions.
Kasi yes, no eh.
Meron.
Oh, yes.
Kasi it's a given already that you have to look at the medical records. Which
Okay.
case of pattern evolution is given as an example? Okay. Paano nag-evolve yung mga problem? This is a nice one. Okay, Sir Mark or Doc She.
Mm.
Lynchy deficiency, liver blood, then lung fire.
Sa akin, liver chi stagnation, liver blood deficiency, spleen chi deficiency.
Yung sa'yo,
Yes. Same with
can you
Mark.
defend your answer, Doc She?
Usually po kasi 'di ba yung the initial transformation and tsaka transportation ng fluids and everything comes from the spleen first.
Mhm.
So if it's not well transformed and transported properly,
Mhm.
so magkakaroon ng deficiency sa
Ibig sabihin, pag walang blood na nag-form, walang
Yes.
i-store yung liver.
walang store yung liver. So
Okay,
aakyat siya imbis na bababa si liver.
Mhm.
Aakyat siya. So magkakaroon siya ng lung fire kasi 'di ba pinsan the causes minsan ng mga asthma, ganun allergies
Mhm.
comes from the deficiency of the liver function na nag-akyat sa lung. Kaya
Di ba kidney
nagkakaroon.
depletion kapag mayroong lungs problem bago magkaroon ng lung fire?
Okay, can you tell lung problem muna. Kasi diretso siya agad lung fire. Yeah, okay naman yung sagot mo, Doc She, pero I don't think lung fire diretso naman, grabe. And liver lang. Okay. Ganito kasi, when you have asthma, di ba, it's supposed to be both deficiency and excess, right? Weak lungs,
Weak
lung
spleen.
Kaya minsan 'di ba nag-flare up like mga psoriasis, mga ganun. Mga lung fire nata yun.
What happens when you have lung fire? Nagbabaga ang lungs.
Coughing blood.
Pag
Coughing
lung
blood.
fire, di ba?
Okay.
Dito mag-blood.
Yung mga, okay, Sir
Coughing.
Mark, bakit yung sagot mo, liver chi stagnation will lead to liver blood deficiency, tapos magiging spleen chi deficiency?
Okay, di ba ano po, liver chi stagnation, kaya nga stagnant eh. Pag tumatagal-tagal na yan at hindi pa siya maayos ang kanyang ginagawa sa buhay, magkakaroon ng blood deficiency. Pag lagi kang puyat, lagi kang magkaano. Syempre, liver and spleen magkakaugna po yan, Doc.
No, kasi pag may liver blood deficiency ka, magkakaroon ka ng liver yin deficiency. So, lalakas yon, magkakaroon ng fire, di ba? Di ba? You cannot control the yang anymore. Remember, liver yin deficiency is the result of liver blood deficiency kasi yin man yung blood, 'di ba? So kukulang ng blood, so umaano siya, umiinit. Remember, magkakaroon ka ng liver ng fire. So liver yin deficiency, liver yang rising, then magkakaroon ka ng fire. So pag masyado na malakas si liver, magkakaroon ka ng spleen chi because the wood over control the earth, no?
Apo.
Any comment? Any other comment?
Over controlling.
Yeah.
Wood.
Actually, pareho yung choices ng 1 and 3. Okay, which factor is not a possible blurring influence on diagnostic signs?
Recent big, hindi.
Anyone?
Time of day.
Time of
Exercise
day.
ba? Time of day? Oo.
Walang kinalaman.
Not possible.
Okay, what is the main barrier to thorough diagnosis for inexperienced clinicians?
Hindi masarap ang ano. Inatal kapag weekdays. Bakit? Walang lasa.
Insufficient time and ability to pick some relevant. Insufficient time.
Sa yung 200. Eh, kasi ito
Ability
yung
to quickly discern.
With the
Ma'am Trix, what is your answer here?
And same with sermon. And inability to quickly discern. Relevant.
Ano ba yan?
Insufficient time.
Yes, insufficient time and inability to quickly discern relevant.
Ito.
Kulang sa oras.
Actually,
Why is it insufficient to memorize all categories without understanding dynamics? Memorize mo ba lahat, Sir Mark?
Hindi masyado.
Talagang memorize.
So, yung time
Nakakalimutan.
consuming, kung ano lang yung maunawaan ko, yun lang.
Actually, pag sa actual na iba na, di ba?
yes. Actually, iba talaga. Iba talaga.
Sa memorization.
Kaya
Nag-iiba
minsan
yung
confusing talaga, Doc. Lalo na pag sabay-sabay yung pasyente.
Oo.
Iba yung,
Medyo
iba yung iba kasi yung sagot.
mental block talaga minsan. Oo po.
So what is your answer here? Sa 43.
Insufficient. Oh. 42 or 43 daw?
43 pala. We already have answered.
Okay.
Memorize is to
Dynamic relationship determine how one pattern may give rise to another.
Yes. Is this the correct answer?
diba?
Kasi usually, Doc, pag hindi magtugma minsan yung tongue at saka pulse, minsan doon, nalilito ka na eh. So you should be,
By the way, in cases na hindi tugma ang pulse and tongue, what would you rely more on?
Nagre-rely ako sa
sa
face.
tongue.
Constitution,
Sa tongue ka.
Sa
No,
tongue, Doc.
pulse. Pulse.
Ah, the pulse.
Pulse.
Ako sa tongue.
Pulse is more accurate.
Usually kasi, based on my experiences dito, nakikita mo yung sa tongue talaga yung mga deficiencies. But minsan kasi yung mga pulse nila are all okay. So you cannot really differentiate. Unlike kasi yung visual aid or yung visual na nakikita mo sa tongue, it's more reliable for me than the pulse. Parang para sa akin, parang secondary na lang po yung pulse po. Para sa akin ha. Based on my
Sa akin
experience.
po,
Okay. Yes,
sa akin po,
Mark.
Dapat
pag pareho talaga nahihirapan ako sa tongue tsaka sa limahanap talaga. Meron ako sa pareho, pero tinitignan ko pa rin yung structure ng tenga.
Kasi like kanina, may stagnation sa tongue, but you cannot determine the stagnation in the pulse.
How does stagnation manifest on the pulse?
Sometimes it's not showing sa tongue eh.
Yung tongue, yung
Wala.
stagnation kasi more on parang, di ba parang may bluish na siya? Parang may
Kaya nga,
mga...
don't just rely on the pulse and tongue. That's why we have
That was the overall constitution.
the overall. So what is the answer here? Number 3, no?
Number 3 po, yes.
Do you agree with
Number
that?
3.
Yes.
Okay. Next, which diagnostic pillar is described as more than just pulse diagnosis?
Tongue diagnosis.
Di oh. Because, when you say that, actually, remember, palpation is one of the pillars. Under palpation, you have palpation of the channels and palpation of the pulse or diagnosis of the pulse diagnosis. Okay? That is why you need to know the different channels, no? Sometimes all you have to do is palpate. Ay, bakit parang matigas dito? Bakit may lambot yung gano'n? May mga bukol-bukol. Do you agree?
Agree, Doc.
Okay. Bakit naging tongue diagnosis? Which of the following is not one of the 4 diagnostic pillars?
Saan na ba tayo?
Prescription formulation.
Prescription.
Prescription na agad.
Training. Intellectual training can become a handicap because it leads to
Overconfidence.
Over-reliance.
on verbal
Over-reliance or
knowledge.
overconfidence.
Handicap.
Sorry. Sige, sorry. Okay.
Parang neglect of analytical reasoning.
You
Wala
should
nang
not
common
rely too
sense.
much on theory.
On-
No? You have to always kaya nga, I am very grateful to all of you because we can continue this platform because this can help us in our practice, right? Especially sa susunod,
Doc.
di ba? And by the way, Doc She, we would like to invite you to become one of the lecturers. Hindi nasasagot yan.
My God.
Okay.
I'm not good in speaking.
You cannot say no. Okay. Which strategy is proposed for handling limited appointment time?
Only ask yes or no question to save time. Skip the task.
Anong ano dito? Kasi una-una, you have to be conscious of the time.
Yes. Yan talaga ang problema ko. I spend a
Okay,
lot
so
of time.
what should be your answer here, Doc She?
Prioritize information.
Yes.
Dialogue.
Prioritize information.
Tapos tatayo
Oo.
ka. Kasi pupunta ka
You cannot say, you cannot tell talaga because there are patients or clients that are also talkative and loves to
Yeah.
tell stories.
Yeah,
So you cannot tell them, "Uy, sir, ma'am, stop. I don't want to hear your stories."
Yeah, especially if they see
Liver.
you. How come,
Clients,
Doctora, you
ano.
look thinner now? O, diba?
Liver problem yung patient.
Yeah. So, pag wala ka namang kasunod, di tuloy-tuloy, diba?
Yeah.
Yeah. In the context of diagnostic models, why are templates considered advantageous?
They allow.
I think I gave you templates.
Rapid.
If you remember. I don't know if you remember.
Parang pattern recognition once learned.
Yes, rapid pattern recognition once learned. What is implied about precursor patterns of imbalance?
Precursor. Precaution. Siyempre, submit ka muna, Doc. More serious pattern.
They may evolve.
They may evolve into more serious patterns.
And should be investigated. Okay?
Precursor.
Which of the following exemplifies a puzzle rather than a conflict? Ito na yung ano mo, ito na yung concern mo kanina. Tongue heat, pulse shows cold.
Yeah.
So what's the answer there? Na-puzzle ka na.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, what's your answer?
I guess all diagnostic signs are absent. Wait. Tongue shows heat, pulse, cold, voice is rapid. I guess number 1, Doc.
Does it indicate a measurement error?
Number 3.
I think number 3 is the best answer, no? Kasi may multiple patterns.
Multiple. Yeah. Yeah.
Patients may deliberately provide misleading answers. Deliberate. Which of the following is a recommended approach to mitigate this?
Ask additional clarifying questions.
Yes. So that means you have to be smarter than the patient.
Yeah. Kasi may sinungaling na patient.
Oo nga.
Yeah, actually.
Madami.
Oo.
I think this is the same question kanina, no? Or you might want Doc She might
Yeah,
answer
iba
this.
lang yung, iba
Iba
lang
lang
yung
yung paggawa. Why might a patient's answer about menstrual regularity be interpreted differently by a practitioner?
Mm,
cultural
cultural
variation.
Cultural
variation in
variation.
what constitutes regular lead to misinterpretation.
Malay mo, yung culture
Same.
nila, mga once a year
Iba
lang.
yun.
Pa.
Yeah.
Which of the following best captures the view on the hierarchy of diagnostic pillars? Ay, wow. O, ano answer mo dito, Sir Mark?
Ano ba yan? We should have
Yung malalaman
best
yung ugali.
view.
Number
Observation
one.
of the assessment. Observation muna, di ba?
No, interview.
Interview?
Best captures the view of hierarchy of diagnostic pillars. All pillars.
So, anong
All
answer?
pillars ba?
All
Interview.
pillars.
Is either interview, is either
Diba pareho sila lahat?
ay all pillars na should be utilized.
Do you agree, Ma'am Trix?
All yes. All pillars.
They're
are
equally
equal.
essential, should be consciously utilized. So, kaya alam mo kailan sila gagamitin.
Kasi may hierarchy na sinabi eh. So, ibig sabihin, meron talagang one more than the other if may hierarchy.
Hindi,
So-
ano yan? That's a misleading question.
Okay, sige.
But they're all still essential.
Ibig sabihin, may mga tao kasi they have their own style. So probably they think puro lang pulse, then okay.
Oo.
Diba? Actually, pare-pareho. What is a confounding factor that can alter pulse findings?
The patient's having just gone upstairs.
Yeah, yes.
Yes. Which
Shift
of the
and
Which of the
Rapid.
following best describes the stance on discovering unrelated serious disorders during diagnosis?
Ano yun? Which of the following best describes the stance on discovering unrelated serious disorders during diagnosis?
It should be the treatment focus.
Yes.
Mm-mm.
Yes. It
Tama.
should be.
Dapat i-address mo siya. Kasi sometimes the problem may not be relevant, but for all you know, importante yon.
Yeah. Tama.
In the context of diagnostic training, what is identified as a time-consuming but ultimately efficient strategy?
time consuming. Memorizing.
Memorizing all
Right.
symptom patterns
Time consuming.
and applying diagnostic templates.
Memorizing.
Sagot nyo, what's the best answer here?
Memorizing.
Memorize.
Asking patients to fill out lengthy self-report forms.
So okay lang
Time
mag-memorize
consuming.
tayo ng patterns?
Siguro, Doc, asking
Sobrang-
patients to fill out lengthy self-report forms. At least, kung nagsinungaling man sila doon.
Okay. Lengthy self-report forms? Ano sagot mo, Ma'am Trix?
Memorizing all
Memorize ka
symptoms.
ng memorize, tapos wala ka namang diagnosis.
Then applying diagnostic.
And then nagkaroon ka ng phlegm misting the mind. Why is it problematic?
Naka-memorize, nagka-phlegm.
Nasiraan ng bait. Nagkaroon tuloy ng... Why is it problematic to
Kasi time consuming.
Yeah. Why is it problematic to translate sensory information into intellectual knowledge without proper training? O, di ba?
And it bypasses the analytical
Yes.
process
Yes.
application.
Uy, kaya pumunta kayo ha pag may mga medical mission.
Ako gusto ko.
Lagi ako nandiyan.
Ako gusto ko talaga.
Which
Lagi ako
diagnostic
dyan.
pillar
Sa
is described? Ano ka na, member na ba kayo ng PAAY?
Hindi pa ako graduate eh. Pwede na ba?
Okay.
Hindi pa graduate.
Sige, which diagnostic
Meron
pillar?
Graduated mo na kami, Doc Hector.
Mamaya na, ayusin muna natin yung mga definition. Tanungin mo si Albert. Malapit na daw. Okay. Which diagnostic pillar is described as including both sand and mortar in its construction? Huh?
What do you mean
Sand and mortar.
sand and mortar, do?
Saan mortar?
Ano ba sand and mortar? Ba't
All four
nagdidigdig ka ng
Sand and
all four pillars
ano yun eh?
collectively.
All four. All four ba?
Four
Do you agree?
pillars.
Okay. Oo, tama. All 4 pillars collectively.
Is that your answer, Ma'am Trix?
Mm-mm. All
Okay.
four.
Sagot ko.
O may answer na dito, oh.
Kaya nga.
Educational practice primarily contributes to intellectual handicap. Ay, nasagot na natin yan kanina. Yung textbook definition.
Yeah.
Yung iba, ano lang, bili na ng bili pero hindi naman pala binasa.
Basta.
Nakadisplay.
Sayang.
When faced with limited consultation time, a clinician should... Ay, naulit na. Binago lang.
Yan. Quickly
Iba
allocate
lang
time
yung
to each
context
pillar
ng question.
proportionally
Iba lang yung
and control the conversation flow.
Okay. Magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong style. Depende sa timing, no? Which of the following best illustrates the concept of patterns of imbalance as consequences of other patterns? Matindi to, ah. Lung, kidney.
Lung heat causing kidney deficiency. Liver blood deficiency leading to spleen.
Ano bang spleen cheek?
Walang spleen
Iba.
nation.
Wala siyang
Sagot.
di ano.
liver chi, stagnation.
Sa akin lang si cause kidney deficiency.
Anong tamang sagot?
Is either 1 or 4. 3.
Liver chi stagnation arising from spleen chi deficiency.
Yeah, makes sense. Diba? Pag meron kang spleen chi deficiency,
Problem ka na sa liver.
magkakaroon ka ba ng liver chi stagnation pag mahina si spleen?
Yeah, parang same lang yun sa answer ko kanina, Doc, yung sinabi
Oo,
ko
pero,
kanina.
yeah, pero lung fire,
Parang
lung fire ka agad.
Baka mali lang yung nalagay mo, Doc.
Yeah, kinopya ko lang. Which diagnostic models are used only in specific situations?
Situation.
Diagnosis according to 8 principles. Yan
Specific.
ang pasyente ko.
only used in specific situations.
Ako lang yun ay pasyente.
O sige na. Doc Shea, what's your answer?
Specific situations.
Huh?
Kasi
3
8 principles.
Huh?
3 jiao.
3 jiao.
3.
4 level. Very specific siya.
Specific.
Memorize
4
4 levels, madam.
Cold.
Huh?
Cold, hot, cold.
Anong hot cold? Oh? Ano yung first levels of 4 levels? Diba with the Wei level, the Qi level?
Wei Qi. Oh my gosh. I forget.
Pangatlo, Qing level. Basta alam ko blood level, no? Blood level yung
Yes,
lahat.
and tsaka Jin.
Mas specific siya, 3 jiao. Upper, middle, lower. Which of the following diagnostic models are described as being used constantly and often in combination with other models?
Diagnosis according to Zhang Fu. And diagnosis according to Qi, blood, and
Usually
essence.
Zhang Fu, di ba? Saka Qi, kaya mga Qi
Qi,
deficiency.
blood, essence.
How many key symptoms and signs are often sufficient to identify a pattern of imbalance?
3 to 4. 3
Sure.
to
What's your answer, Doc She?
Key symptoms and signs are often sufficient to identify a pattern of imbalance. 3 or 4, Doc.
Okay.
Mm.
Dami naman din ng 5 to 6, di ba?
3 or 4.
wage.
The signs and symptoms are considered to be
Probable.
The most probable symptoms and signs of a pattern.
Most probable.
the most
Most
probable
probable
Most
symptoms
probable
and
symptoms.
signs of a pattern.
symptoms that are not listed in textbooks but appear in a patient are attributed to patient's imagination.
Patterns
Change
change.
Dynamic. Okay. What enables a practitioner to determine manifestations of a particular imbalance beyond textbook descriptions? Okay. Ano ba dapat alam mo
Beyond.
para malaman mo? Ha?
Using the 8 principles?
Only the 8 principles?
Or kasi mahaba yung
Studying.
Chinese
You have to
medicine.
know the
Beyond
pathology.
Pathology.
Yeah, the Chinese medicine, physiology,
Medicine
and
and
pathology. Kasi
Yeah.
kung wala kang alam sa mga zangfu, mga imbalances, wala rin, di ba? A common diagnostic mistake is assuming a disorder. Kaya ang hirap kung magda-lecture lang tayo ng mga lung imbalance, tapos hindi mo pala alam yung, di ba? A common diagnostic mistake is assuming a disorder results from
Common mistake.
Common mistake. Multiple simultaneous patterns.
No.
usually
No,
one.
only one. Only one of the list.
Okay. Oo, tama.
Yeah. Patient's
Oo.
lifestyle may kinalaman yan. Which 3 patterns of imbalance are an example that together may cause spontaneous bleeding? Okay.
Oh. Ayan yung
Spontaneous bleeding.
spontaneous bleeding. May heat yun.
Heat.
Oo. Ang tanong,
Ayan.
ano? And explain why. Definitely may heat yan. Isa lang yung may heat. Ay, marami pala.
Oo nga.
Will you have spontaneous bleeding pag may spleen chi deficiency?
No.
Precursor.
Are you sure?
Yeah, the spring Qi deficiency is the number 2.
Sorry.
Number 2.
Yeah, spleen chi deficiency, di ba? One of the functions of the spleen is to keep the blood within the blood vessel.
Yes.
Yeah.
Blood stagnation. Of course, when you are, yeah, okay. Okay. Everyone agrees?
Yeah, number 2.
Rosa?
Yeah, it spring Qi, it control the blood. Yeah.
A frequent cause of treatment failure is
Treating too many patterns at once.
Not treating all.
not treating all aspects of the problem.
No, treating too many patterns at once.
Ano ba talaga? What's your answer, Ma'am Trix?
Not treating all aspects of the problem.
Yeah.
Although,
Maybe you did not treat the mental aspect.
Di ba minsan kasi, Doc,
failure.
well, para sa
Pwede ka
akin,
naman mag-treat ng many patterns, di ba? Pwede ba?
paano pag deficiency yung too much?
Pwede ba? Pwede na together deficiency and excess eh. Tapos cold and hot. Parang question kanina. Pwede siya simultaneous.
Pwede. When faced with a complex and confusing presentation, a clinician is advised to
complex.
Will you be able to treat every possible pattern immediately? I don't think so.
No.
Number 2, keep
Ah,
things simple.
Yeah, keep things
What-
simple.
Yeah. Kaya nga,
Oh,
that's
no,
what,
when I am confused, I just use the the
parang
yin
yun yung,
yang.
yun yung
Yun,
follow-up,
hot
yun
and
parang
cold.
follow-up question doon sa previous, Doc. Minsan nagkakamali kasi
Ito narinig. I heard it from somebody. Sabi niya, pag na-confuse ka na, member yata ng BOT. I'm not so sure. Parang
Keep
pag
it
confuse ka
simple.
na daw, isipin mo lang yung yin and yang uli.
Treat the hot and
yun na nga.
hot and cold.
Kaya yun ang answer ko kanina, Doc, na pag masyadong maraming ititreat mo na patterns, minsan nakukonfuse ka na. Kaya minsan, yung pinaka-immediate na pattern lang yung dapat, para sa akin, i-prioritize.
Okay.
Kasi pwede naman yun follow-up for the next session yung ibang
Next session.
ibang patterns eh.
Okay, tanungin kita, Doc She, no? If you have a patient, naghihingalo, tapos may dampness, anong uunahin mo?
Yung skin,
Yung naghihingalo.
Naghihingalo.
hingalo.
Or nahihirapang huminga dahil sa dami ng tapos what will you prioritize?
Syempre yung conscious.
Yeah.
Ah?
Yung pinaka-problem.
Yung pinaka-problem niya, di ba? In fact, meron tayong treatment principle, whatever is the main reason why he came.
The main complaint.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when do you treat both the root, both the problem and the cause?
When stable na siya.
Okay.
Pag kaya niya nang i-absorb lahat ng treatment na ibibigay mo. Kasi unless hindi stable si patient, mag-ano din, parang mako-confuse din yung immune system niya kung ano bang unahin ko dito, itong ganito or ganyan.
Okay, may question din ako. Mayroon siyang allergy, nag-anaphylactic shock siya, kumain siya ng maraming seafood.
Yeah.
What is your treatment principle? What is the first thing you will do?
As a naturopath,
Yeah,
Call the
start
ER.
allergy.
Call the ambulance.
call
Call
the
the ER.
And that may anaphylactic.
And then call the ambulance
Or
first.
if they
While
have
waiting
an
for-
EpiPen.
Yeah, while waiting for the ambulance, you do whatever especially stroke patient or yung nawalan ng malay, di ba? Tawagan mo muna yung ambulance, hindi pagtutusok-tusukin mo na yung Jingwell ba?
For emergency, di ba, do 24? Pag nawalan ng malay.
Oo, pero unahin mo muna yung
Call 911.
Call 911 and then
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. And break. Hindi. Naghanap ka pa ng Lancet bago tawagan. Okay? Saan na ba tayo? Okay. Which diagnostic model is described as a solid rock that can be stepped on when overwhelmed by many symptoms?
solid step.
Yeah, ito na yung in-answer ko natin
Ayun
kanina.
yung mali
The
ako.
8 principles. Do you agree, Sister Rosa?
Okay.
Hot and cold.
Yan, hot and cold.
Interior, exterior.
Oo.
Anong pa? 4 pa lang yun.
Here,
Meron, easy out.
Paano mo magamit yung 8? 4 pa lang yun. Ulitin mo. Okay, Doc She, what are the 8?
empty full and yin and yang.
Okay. Which of the following is not one of the 4 dichotomies used in the 8 principles? Ay, dichotomy pala yung ano doon term. The
Oh.
4. Okay.
Upper and or lower.
Upper or lower. If a diagnosis cannot be further refined, you may
We treat the patient solely based on it.
Yes. Yeah. So the best pa rin yung 8 principles, no? Pag pahirap. Eating only from the 8 principles is said to be
likely to benefit
without causing harm.
yes.
Kasi ibabalance mo lang eh.
Okay, punta na tayo. The technique of making inventory boxes and flowcharts is primarily used to
eliminate less important symptoms.
Distribute the patient's symptoms into diagnostic.
Yeah, mga may diagnostic categories. Okay. Number 2. Do you agree? Ano, baguhin mo na yung answer mo, Ma'am Doc She.
Technique of making inventory boxes.
Yung mga less important, wag mo siyang i-ignore. Wag mo siyang i-eliminate. They might be important.
Important also.
Ay, tama. Distribute patient.
In the inventory box method, a box that contains many symptoms and signs likely indicates
Contains many symptoms and signs.
A probable pattern of imbalance.
Yeah. Pattern. Why should the pattern not be discarded simply because its box contains only 1 or 2 signs?
Because some signs
Yes,
may be
definitive. A
definitive.
pattern. Missing a pattern that shows only a few definitive signs can lead to
A misdiagnosis.
Crucial.
yes. When suspecting a particular pattern, the practitioner should ask
When suspecting a the practitioner
Whether all observed things
can be
can
as manifestation.
of the
Dito na naman ulit, the typical number of key symptoms required to diagnose a pattern is
3 or 4.
which pattern in bleeding represents a deficiency? Hello? What's the answer? Clean chi deficiency. Yung iba puro excess. Okay. I think the signal is
Is he
we
back?
are back. So what is the answer for number 82?
Yun lang yung
Deficiency.
deficiency.
Number 3.
Yeah.
Chi deficiency.
Yung iba.
When the diagnostic picture remains unclear, the recommended approach is to
Keep the diagnosis simple and use the 8 principles as a guide.
yeah. The study of Chinese medicine, physiology, and pathology primarily helps the practitioner to
Identify manifestation
Identify
of particular imbalances beyond the textbook.
in the inventory box system, a box with many symptoms is most likely interpreted as this is a repeat. Probable pattern of
Probable pattern of imbalance.
contradictory symptoms in a case primarily suggest the need to use which diagnostic model?
8 principles.
8 principles. What is the first step? And ito
Principles.
na ang answer. After suspecting a pattern of imbalance,
Number 2.
verify if observed signs can be iman. Which combination of models is used together in practice? Ay, okay, yeah.
Tanong na to kayo. Diagnosis according to Zhang.
Zhangfu.
According.
Yeah, ito yung used
Yeah.
together. And
Blood and
according to
acid.
Chi, yeah. What is a key benefit of using inventory boxes and flowcharts?
Identify which patterns are more probable based on
When multiple patterns contribute to a disorder, treating only one pattern may result in
treatment failure.
relying exclusively on textbook signs can cause a practitioner to miss
manifestations generated.
patterns tree dynamics. What is the primary cognitive risk when a practitioner clings to an initial diagnostic hypothesis?
Alternative diagnostic signs.
Yeah, overlooking alternative. Do you agree?
Yes.
In the diagnostic
Yes.
process, which sensory modalities are metaphorically like, and dito na naman tong ORS. The eyes, ears, mouth, nose, and fingers. In traditional Chinese medicine, Shu and Shi most closely correspond to which of the following pairs?
Number 1, efficiency excess.
Yes. Which of the following patient presentations is specifically linked to heart fire?
Excessively garrulous speech.
That hampers concise answers.
Yes.
Yeah. A
Number
diagnostic journal should not become
Number
1.
number,
Simple check.
Number
yeah, simple checklist. When a patient exhibits phlegm, heat, blocking, and agitating Shen, which diagnostic challenge is most likely to arise? The key word is relevance. Irrelevant verbal output.
That distracts the practitioner.
So pag ganon, alam mo na yung diagnosis. Phlegm, blocking the Shen. Agitating the... Medyo... Which phase of the diagnostic process is said to be most intuitive and least rational?
Least moment of
First
impression.
In managing complex patients with multiple patterns, investigate each diagnostic track one at a time while also remembering to do what?
Return to previously for completeness.
Balik-balik talaga. What is the chief purpose of an intake sheet with boxes and rubrics?
Ensure systematic investigation of all relevant areas.
Wow, thank you so much. Congratulations. Did you enjoy?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Doc.